Hi, it's David. Welcome to the exercise of the week. I'm so excited to present this to you. Give it a try, see how you do. Remember proper posture, proper breathing, and leave us a comment. Let us know how it's going. This exercise is the sitting arm circles. What we're going to start with is having your hands like this, and we call this the modified golfer's grip. You're going to close your fingertips. You're going to keep your thumbs open like this, nice and wide, and try to open your palm as much as you possibly can. Hold this position. Have your arms down to your side. Remember proper posture. You're going to have your towel roll between your knees. Your feet are going to be nice and straight. Neck and shoulders down and relaxed. In this one, you're going to slightly pinch your shoulders back a little more than normal to put your shoulder in the proper position, and you're going to keep them pinched throughout the entire exercise. So golfer's grip, hands down, pinch those shoulders back and keep them pinched. Now what we want to do is, from here, we're going to make circles. So you're going to nice and gently doing your breathing. Remember, proper posture, proper breathing. The breathing is in through the nose and slowly blowing out with your lips. We're going to make circles the size of dinner plates, nice and easy. And from the side, my hands are in line with my body. We're not doing them out here, and we're not hyperextending them way back here and trying to do them. Everything is right here. So you're going to do your breathing and blow. Again, the size of dinner plates. And we're going to try to do anywhere from 20 to 40 of these. You may even build up a little bit of a sweat of a workout. These are great for you. Then you're going to stop. You're going to give your arms and your shoulders a break. You're going to check your posture. You're going to breathe if you're a little winded, and that's okay. In through the nose. Hold and blow. Once you've recovered, then you're going to do the next one. Hands like this. Close the tips. The golfer's grip again. Thumbs nice and wide. Hands down. Pinching the shoulders back. Keep them pinched. Come on up. And then you're going to roll your hands. So palms up, thumbs backwards. Whichever way the thumbs are pointing, that's the direction of the circles. So you're going to breathe and blow. And now go backwards. Try to do, again, 20 to 30. As you get really good at these, you'll be able to do 40. And breathing, keeping the arms back. This could get you winded, and that's okay. Take your time, do as many as you can. The goal is 20 to 40. If you can do 5, that's wonderful. Don't worry about it. And then you stop. Hands on your thighs, palms up. Recapture your breath in, hold, and blow. Take your time. Focus more on your breathing and the coordinating of it with the movement, and you'll get really great results with this. These are the sitting arm circles. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that exercise. Also, check out these videos over here.